Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your first event in Calendly for 2025. This is perfect if you're new to scheduling meetings or want to make booking times easy and automatic. Step 1. Open Calendly and sign in with your Google or email account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see all your events. Step 2. Click the Create button at the top right and select Event Type. Here, you can choose from options like one-on-one meetings, group sessions, or collective events if you work with a team. Step 3. Name your event, for example, intro call or client meeting. Then set the duration such as 15, 30, or 60 minutes. You can also add a description to tell people what the meeting is about. Step 4. Set your availability. Click when can people book this event. Choose the days and times you're available, and Calendly will automatically block off the rest. Step 5. Under Location, pick how you want to meet. You can choose Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or even an in-person meeting. Calendly will automatically include the meeting link in the invite. Step 6. Click Next to set reminders and follow-up emails if you want. This helps guests stay updated and reduces no-shows. Step 7. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Calendly will give you a unique link you can share with anyone. When they open it, they'll see your available slots and can book a time instantly. That's it. You've just created your first event in Calendly 2025. Now scheduling meetings is completely automatic. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.